Couple boxes. Phoenix football tonight. Like I said, we're doing Phoenix football tonight. Doing some of that new signature series tonight. And we'll finish with some bench warmers. That'll be the order tonight. Good luck, guys. Starting off. Autographed a football, number 249, some guy named Ezekiel Elliott. 49, Dallas Cowboys autographed a football, Ezekiel Elliott. See that bottom right-hand corner has a little white on it. Bottom right corner, a little white. Ezekiel Elliott. Base behind it. Thank you, though. Got a Browns 299s at Joe Hayden. Base. Base. Got your Kansas City Chiefs 299 Jamal Charles. Jamal Charles with the Chiefs. Base. Jersey for the San Diego Chargers, number 279. You've got Hunter Henry. Hunter Henry, 79. Base. Or base. Auto jersey for the Baltimore Ravens to 49, Keenan Reynolds. Ravens 49, Keenan Reynolds. Base. The Jets, number to 399, Darrell Revis. Number 210, Paxton Lynch, number to 10. Base. Got the Saints 299, Drew Brees. Base. Got Chiefs 349, Jamal Charles. Got Drew Brees, base for the Saints. Number 2, box 2. Box number 2. Auto jersey, or an auto helmet to 49, Giants, Sterling Shepard. 49, Sterling Shepard for the Giants. Base. Dallas Cowboys to 399, Tony Romo. Base. The Rams to 349, Eric Dickerson. The Rams. Base. Jersey for the Chargers, another one, 79, Hunter Henry. Hunter Henry. Base. Kansas City Chiefs, Eric Berry. Base. Auto jersey, another one, number 2, 199, Keenan Reynolds. Keenan Reynolds. Base. Got number 2, 349, Laquan Treadwell for the Vikes. Base. Got number 299, the Seahawks, Earl Thomas. Earl Thomas for the Seahawks. Got number 2, 299, Chris Johnson, Arizona. Number 2, 299, Rams, Jared Goff. Base. Last pack, box 2. Thanks, sir. I appreciate it, brother. All base. Finishing out box number 2. 2 boxes to go. Box number 3. Box number 3. Jersey for the Rams, number 2, 79's Jared Goff. Jared Goff for the Rams. Base. Steelers have not seen any Steeler hits. The Raiders, Pork Sound. Base. Auto jersey, the Cincinnati Bengals to 199, Tyler Boyd. Tyler Boyd for the Bengals. Base. The Raiders to 399, you've got Charles Woodson. Base. Base. Rookie rising, number to 299, Will Fuller, the Texans. Base. Oakland Raiders to 349, Marcus Allen. Base. Chargers, Drew Brees. Base. Redemption. For a rookie jersey, yellow prime, Alex Collins. Rookie prime, Alex Collins for the Seahawks. Base. Nice, man. Numbered 399, Browns, Joe Hayden. Base. Got Dallas 299, Emmitt Smith. Base. Box number 4. Box number 4. Then we'll move on to the new Donruss Prime Sigs. Base. It's pretty solid. 2-colored rookie auto patch. Numbered 225, Dak Prescott. Good night for the Cowboys. Ezekiel Elliott auto football and a Prescott auto patch. Base. Got number 299, Earl Thomas, Seahawks. Base. Got the Bucks, number 2, 349, Vernon Hargraves. 349 for the Bucks. Number 299, Adrian Peterson for the Vikes. Peace. It's pretty solid. A 1/1 base, Peyton Manning, Resurgence, Denver Bronco uniform. 1/1, Denver Bronco, Peyton Manning. Auto jersey, number 2, 199, the Ravens, Chris Moore. Chris Moore for the Ravens. Base. Got number 299, Falcons, Austin Hooper. Base. The Raiders running back 349, Latavius Murray. Base. Last pack. Finishing out. Phoenix football tonight. You've got a 4-colored patch, number 25, rookie, Buffalo's Jonathan Williams. 4-colored Jonathan Williams for the Buffalo Bills. Base. Finishing out Phoenix football tonight.